right, Dr. Chris here at the Nerve Health Institute. Here's a really good exercise that meshes our go-to spray with coconut oil. So you simply just take my go-to spray. You can roll up tissue, make sure it's clean tissue, make sure your hands are clean, spray the tissue, and you can simply just take some of our coconut oil and you pour it around that area. Really easy. And then you go straight up in the nose like a cylinder. And I prefer to do both sides. So I'm going to go ahead and just demonstrate. It's going to look funny for y'all out there, but roll up your tissue, spray. Good with this go-to spray. And then with our coconut oil. Perfect. And you just simply roll that up. It's kind of like an auger. You're just rolling it up into your nose. And then while I'm here, I'm going to close my mouth and inhale. Now, I've done this a bunch of times, so I don't really get any kind of burning. You see my eyes, maybe just a little smidge of water. It feels so soothing right now. Like all this stuff, I can feel it all through here in my sinuses. And I'm not even congested. I don't have any issues at all. But it's just excellent to do this periodically. And you can do several breaths while you're there and just pull them out. If for some reason you burn too much, you just take a little bit more of the coconut oil, get a new tissue, put it on there, roll it back up. And you notice the coconut oil will dilute any of the oil from the go-to spray. So again, these two products, amazing benefits, amazing benefits. You cannot get these in the stores. This is something that we have within my office and we're making available to you. So easy, very affordable. Please use them and please help your body to overcome anything that it's going to get in terms of weakness. Keep your power up. So stay tuned here at the Nerve Health Institute for more health secrets.